we're seeing that the NSE 20 is oscillating around the 2,900 mark as well as to the 3,000 mark, and Safaricom is holding steady. Why is Safaricom showing such strength?
Well, thank you very much, Fenly, and I agree with you that the NSE 20 seems to be stagnating at 2,900 to 3,000, which is encouraging because we would not want to see the bearish trend really carrying on the market. As for Safaricom, basically there has been a lot of news or media coverage on it, especially the new development with the money banking transfer of United Kingdom.
Now, there's a perceived demand among financials. Which banking stocks would you be putting your money on?
Well, at the moment, we are seeing some of the counters which had really shed a lot of points, like Cooperative Bank, Kenya Commercial Bank, even Equity Bank, which had really declined to all-time lows. Cooperative Bank is currently trading below issue price, so it's a promising counter, especially knowing that we are anticipating Q3 results any day.
Well, according to the Q3 results for banks, Tier 1 bank results are in the offing. What do you think the outlook is for the banking sector in Kenya going forward?
Well, looking at what is happening, even the discussion that was just previously held on the banking sector in Kenya, there's a lot of promising opportunities in the sector, especially because some of these banks have been doing excellently well. And Q3 results, well, we're anticipating that they'll not be as bad, only that we might not see so much of the double-digit growth, especially noting that economically we've not grown significantly, especially in the Q2 as well as what we are looking at the Q3.
Now let's move over to the industrials. The merger between BOC and Carbacid did not happen. What are some of the reasons behind it?
Well, the main reason behind it basically is the fact that the acquisition by BOC was not being supported a lot by the shareholders of Carbacid. They were anticipating support of over 80%, and they only got 70%. And because of that, the capital markets closed out on the deal. And because of that, we are having the withdrawal, which is really expected because the shares have not been trading for over 4 years now.
And how do you think this will affect the industrials going forward?
Well, at least we'll see a bit of activity on the industrials because at the moment East African Breweries has been stealing a lot of the show, as well as BAT because of their good dividend policy. But Carbacid and BOC are excellent dividend payers, and also the industry they represent is also very promising. And so we are going to see at least a bit of activity, and we are hoping that it's also going to introduce liquidity into the market because some of these shares which have been locked are going to start trading, and we are hoping that should be done within this quarter.
Well, when the two relists on the bourse, what will their opening prices be?
At the moment, it's hard to be able to tell about that bit. There's a lot of speculation, and most people are looking at it in terms of the fact that because they were shielded from the bullish trend that we had in the earlier years of 2006, we might see them maybe opening within the same range of the trading price, though for now it's still uncertain.
Do you think that investors will be interested in Carbacid and BOC going forward, though?
Well, there definitely will be a lot of interest because being crucial contributors to the industrial sector, like because of some of the products they have, carbon dioxide, which is very necessary for industrial production, we are going to see a lot of demand in some of these counters. And also, they have excellent dividend policy, and their trading prices are not as high.